this project is worth $22,000. Hi everyone, my name is Sunil Singh Chouhan, a B.Design graphic student at LPU, and my journey here has been a story of passion, creativity and real world success. When I started my freelancing journey, taking on a small design project while still attending my classes. What started as a passion soon turned into a full-fledged career, and every step of the way, LP was there to push me forward. And one of the biggest breakthrough happened when a leading pharma company found my portfolio on Behance. They were launching a new product range and wanted me to handle their entire branding and animation. This project is worth $22,000, an achievement that feels surreal. LPU's EduRevolution isn't about just learning, it's about experimenting, experiencing and excelling. It's about making students industry ready while they are still in the classroom. For me, LPU isn't just a university, it's a launchpad where education meets opportunity and ideas turn into reality. I walked in as a student and today I am building my career even before I graduate. If this is just a beginning, I can't wait to see where the future takes me. Thank you LPU for not just shaping my skills, but my entire journey.